Hey people, this is Ron Supreme. So check it out. I have a brother here, Ras
Glenn.
Ras Glenn, and he's bringing supreme energy to the world. And what I'm going to do for you guys is to show you the energy he's bringing. Ras Glenn is maintaining the balance. So we're putting out this video so you can reach out to him, and he'll send you pictures. You accept Cash App, Ras Glenn? Cash App and Zelle. So my supreme friends online, I don't do this for any and anyone. This is Ras Glenn. Yes, I love it, Ras Glenn. How long have you been doing this?
Since 1983.
Who are your teachers, Ron? Give me some name of the teachers that you have.
Teachers?
You know a man from his teachers, not by him. Who are your teachers?
Henrik Clarke.
Yeah? So now I get to meet you, and I know who your teachers are.
Yes, sir.
You know a man by their teachers, not by them. So, Ras Glenn, we're brothers now. So the network that this is being uploaded to is where John Henrik Clarke lives. Transatlantic production. So I run that. So now, you're not a Pan-African, you're a culturalist, but your teacher is John Henrik Clarke. So since because you're a student, we're brothers. So now what John Henrik Clarke said, he says you're supposed to make your own underwear.
From a safety pin to a rocket ship.
From a safety pin what?
To a rocket ship.
To a rocket ship. So what I'm gonna do with all the other brothers of John Henrik Clarke, when I send out this video, they will call you and say, Supreme, we hear that you're part of the brotherhood. How can we assist you in your sales? You see what I say? Because every brother must say, we know that the work is not hard, but we know the work is the work. So no worry, man. My God, we have you. Nothing by accident. All right, my people. Now listen. You guys see, Ras Glenn is doing the work. Ras Glenn has the CMOS. Ras Glenn has the elements. So we're back at Ras Glenn place, and we're showing you what Ras Glenn has. You know. Right.
Good morning.
Let's see, Egyptian Book of the Dead. Let's see, Instructions of Ptahhotep. You see this book right here, people? All right. You see this book right here? You understand the level of a man if he has this book.
Yeah, extra large, and the green and the black.
So I want you guys to look at these books and contact Ras Glenn, but especially this one here. Get it from him directly. You see him have it? Right? Ancient Egyptian, Book of the Dead. So Ras Glenn Ras Glenn, you're the real deal. Because of the not because of you, you know, because you carry this book. The oldest book in the world. Nobody knows that. Only few people know that this is the oldest book in the world. I mean, when they say to you, you said it. So I know say it upon levels.
Right.
That even Rastaman in Jamaica know that this is the oldest book in the world. You understand? They know it upon levels.
What else you have different to that?
You see this, brother? People, this is the oldest book in the world.
Yeah.
Make up a next section.
This is the oldest book in the world. This is the oldest book in the world. The Instructions of Ptahhotep. We call it Ptahhotep. This is the oldest book in the world. So you know who a man is by who his teachers are, not who he is. His teachers. Book Jubilee, Promise King, World's Great Men of Congo.
I just go where the trade wind blows, sending love to my friends and foes. And I suppose I'm pleased.
Don't look at that, man. Look at this. This is what you need to introduce to your people. This is the oldest book in the world. This book. This is what you need. Bring this to your people and tell them they're lucky to meet a man like this who carry a book like this. Everything they talk about, nonsense. This is the oldest book in the world. Okay? So this, know what this is, all right? So it's not about the wallet. It's about that book. You understand? This man is a great man because he carries some of the most ancient things. You understand what I'm saying? Where are you from?
I'm from Tajikistan.
Wow.
Russia.
Russia?
Close to Russia. No, Russia, close to Russia.
Respect. I'm Randy. Nice to meet you, brother. Strong Russian brother.
I just go where the trade wind blows, sending love to my friends and foes. And I suppose I'm pleased to be drilling in the West.
I don't like that.
Let's go where the trade wind blows, sending love to my friends and foes. And I suppose I'm pleased to be chilling in
Ras Glenn, let me get the business card, please, sir.
provide all my wants and needs. I got the sunshine, rivers and trees.
Ras Glenn.
In our soul, but a jack in our heart. It is of importance for I and I gather.
Let me get the business card, please, Ras Glenn.
How do we propose then to carry it abroad? Then I go to Ethiopia and you not have a plan. The building of a nation and a helper on. Every one a lover, one a man is just a man. It shall be a coronation when we land.
Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? I just go where the trade wind blows, sending love to my friends and foes. And I suppose I'm pleased to be chilling in the West Indies. To provide all my wants and needs.
You go and get that copy. My king, you don't have this copy yet.
No.
Where you from?
I'm from Trinidad.
Respect.
We just move with joy every time.
I'm pleased
And give thanks.
in the West Indies.
You see that smile?
No problem. So this right here. Ras Glenn, I notice you have a certain oil that you wear. Do you sell that oil?
Yes. But I didn't bring any. I have oils, but I didn't bring them.
So when my people call you from online, give them the best.
Okay.
They're gonna say they come from Transatlantic, they come from Jamaica Good Life.
Oh,
Just when they use that word, give them give them the best. You get Cash App or Zelle.
correct.
All right, they're gonna come. So my friends from Transatlantic, I want you to come and get this right here from Ras Glenn. It's real leather, okay? Take care of him for me, because we want to support the real warriors. Pass this on to your children when they graduate. This is what they should bring to college with them. The lawyers should, when they go fight their cases, they bring this, they already win the case. You know me, I said, don't give them Babylon briefcase. You have to give them this right here. So contact Ras Glenn. He's going to give me the card and the number. These are real leather. So you're buying this from Brooklyn. This is coming from Brooklyn. So it's authentic. Okay? See? Very authentic from Brooklyn. See this? So now you could video conference with him even when he's at home, so he could show you what he has. And he accepts Zelle. His website is not fully up yet, but we're gonna help him with that. You understand? Because these are leather. These are not. These are real. And he's from Costa Rica, so he's one of the real Liberty brothers. So my brothers and sisters receiving this message, I want you to receive it with love. Now look at this right here. My brother King Malachi. I know you guys can't be in Brooklyn. I'm here in Brooklyn for you to show you the real authentic energy. So remember, I might be moving fast with this video. You could just call him and have him video conference with you what you need, okay? My Africans, Nubians, Millennials, all I know, everybody, Jamaicans, when the colors come in your home, when the supreme material of our ancestors bask your shoulders or your skin, when these elements adorn your everyday travels, may these material of real leather protect and guide you on your journey. I want every single thing. Look at this. This is supreme because Ras Glenn brings the supreme garments, beautiful, from Brooklyn, New York. And you could, every Saturday you could see him at the crossroads of, thank you, Ras Glenn, Livonia. And what avenue is this, Ras Glenn?
Skate.
From Burkina Faso. So you have your source that you get them from. So this is from Burkina Faso. These.
The thread is the fabrics from Ghana, but it's sewn.
These are sewn in Burkina Faso.
That's right. Ibrahim Torres people.
So if I wear this, so how much is like one of these?
This one is 120.
120.
This is 100.
This is 100. It's not bad. This is supreme, brother.
Yes. This is with the Ghanaian symbol, the Jihanami.
All right. Wow.
Two-piece, or actually three-piece. Those are two-piece comes with a prim.
Okay.
And this is two-piece, three-piece. I also have the crown, pants and top.
Wow. So where are you from? Now that we're on video, where are you from?
Costa Rica. San Jose.
How many children do you have?
3.
3. What is your main philosophy in life? If a man comes to you from space, an alien meets you, let's say, what do you say? What's your philosophy on planet Earth? How would you greet an alien?
Peace and love.
Peace and love.
Yeah. Do unto others as you want them to do unto you. Simple. Yeah.
That's it.
That's it.
Respect. People, you hear it from Ras Glenn. So growing up in New York, where did you grow up?
Costa Rica. Spend most of my time here though.
In Brooklyn?
Yeah, Brooklyn actually. Yeah. Crown Heights.
Crown Heights. Yeah, I was at I grew up in Crown Heights, Kingston Avenue, Carroll Street.
I was on Union between Schenectady and Troy.
Yeah.
Home of the Jolly Stompers.
Yeah. So you were there when the Crown Heights riot happened?
Oh yes, absolutely.
Everything.
Gavin Cato rebellion, yes.
How old are you now, Ras Glenn?
62.
62. What high school do you go to?
Brooklyn Technical High School.
Technical. I went to Wingate.
Wingate, right.
Yeah. So we're one family, one energy. Your bag, do you sell this bag here?
Yes. Yes, from Mali.
From Mali. So most of the stuff you get, you import them, you get your connections, and you don't do feather, you do leather. So this.
For the price, they question if it's even real because of the price that I have.
So when people see this, they think.
Because of the price that it's not. If I put a couple of initials on there, it can go for $1,000. They'll buy it.
If it was some name brand stuff.
Exactly.
But because was this done in Africa?
Yes, in Mali.
So this was stitched in Mali.
Everything's done in Mali. Yep. So I support the local village over there, who in turn supports me. And
wow. So your stuff is not some little quick Chinese stuff.
Exactly.
Nothing you do sell is from China.
I mean, when I started the business, I didn't know any better, and I did, run to the wholesale place thinking you're buying cheap, but now I import things from the Caribbean, and just, according to Marcus Garvey, just have the funds circulate amongst our community to build our own African Wall Street again.
Yes.
I call it community cooperative economics.
And how long you've been doing this?
1983, so it's about 40 years. Like.
Who set you on this path of this consciousness?
Well, just philosophy of opinions of Marcus Garvey, do for self.
Mm-hmm.
And I was employed, lost my job, and then I said, let me start something. And from then, never look back.
All right, now to explain to us your emblems here. What does this mean to you?
It's the eye of a roof, the eye of horse.
Mm-hmm. And what does GRS mean to you?
Those are my initials.
Okay. So why does the Eye of Horus mean anything to you? Explain to the viewers.
That's the rising. It's just the phoenix, like, it symbolizes, the rising.
Mm-hmm. So we like to check our brother.
Okay. True.
We don't when we doing our thing, we do our thing. We even study the bracelet they wear, to see, you live in it. We checking you out because there's a lot of eyes on you now.
True.
Some real Supreme brothers gonna watch and say, yeah, he passed. We get the bags, Ron. He's good. He's good. So all leather, people. Now this is sewn in Mali.
Yes, sir.
Mali, this one.
It's all Mali. All the leather works is come from Mali.
All Mali here.
Briefcases, all that's from Mali.
All this from Mali. This is from Mali, people. Love it. And your shirts, lovely. All cotton.
It's a blend.
So people, this is the real deal, man. Yeah, man, say the Nazi. Real energy. Well, promote the brother.
Yeah, come on, next one. Yeah.
So where you going now?
I'm going to this place, Chinatown.
You haven't gone back to tomorrow.
No, because you remember I tell you. Yeah, but yeah, I know. But guess what happened? A friend of his, who is a friend of mine, a young Russian girl, her child like silver coat, whatever. I don't even know her. She lives in Manhattan, so we live and everything. Her son in the same nursing home last week, and she called me, she said, guess who's here? She said, brother, you? I said, what? She said, yeah, so. I said, what's going on? I don't know. So she recognized her. She wants to talk to that person, but then get to know her after during the conversation. The man need that interaction. Yeah, so I just pull away. I call back Sakara.
So remember, people, you can video conference with him. Sorry, I love this one. Where did this one come from?
Mali. All the leather works.
Mali?
Mali, that's from Mali too.
Wow. So, what parts in Brooklyn you go to all the festivals?
East Club, yeah, as they come up.
55.
Okay, yes, sir.
They have the buttons too.
Yeah, let's go each other.
Let me see the buttons, my brother.
No, when I hear Trini, forget it.
Thank you.
These additional ones I have to put on there, but
So these are new.
yes, sir.
And you just drop them in the post office. You could send them via USPS.
I manufacture buttons out of country.
Oh, you manufacture the buttons?
Yeah.
So you're really following the Garvey thing. You make the, you print. You have the, you make the shirt, them too?
No, it's next version.
Next virgin.
From Guyana.
Okay.
So just make sure the money circulate, you know?
So how people make your stuff?
Yes.
That's it. How much is this one?
This is on 30. That's from Ethiopia.
Ethiopia. How much is this?
40.
40. You have extra large in these?
Yes.
These are small.
Well, it's the how they
Good, good. So this is the real deal, people. Russ, you got cash up, man. You got cash up. Okay, people, you got cash up. $, Russ Dread Scott. Russ Dread Scott. Okay, so people.
Prophecy actualizing. Babylon pick up multiple leaf your heart for the joy. Yes, I'm not an art for the laughter. Come on, we have to take this up with the combat. If you plan it, good well, open the door and enter. If you're just a meditation, burn up your marijuana. Open the door and enter. If you're a scientist, and put your meditation in the camper. One to keep on that man, make mass,
Where's this one from?
Yes.
Burkina Faso. Burkina Faso. And how much is that one? 120.